We woke up, we played a little bit with the ball. Cadê a bola? É a bola. Play with the ball, play with the dog. We had a lot of fun. Amelie wants to touch the camera, that's why she's complaining. But we're gonna go out now. Vamos passear? Ai, ai, ai. Ah, tu quer apertar, tirar foto. We're gonna go out now and have a lot of fun. Yeah, we're gonna go to the city. Ciao, Fach. Ciao. So we were in the city, we walked a little bit and we had lunch here. And now we're gonna do more walking and go to... We just did a lot this morning already. Amelie has been fighting sleep. She wants to stay awake the entire time. That's all she wants to do. She doesn't want to miss out on anything. It's just, it's her life right now. That's it. That's it. Now Shelly, Amelie and I are shopping together with my mom and my grandma. Well, my grandfather and my stepdad are just, I don't know what they're doing, just walking around because they don't want to go shopping. I, on the other hand, I don't mind. I like shopping. Shelly is the one who's probably more annoyed of shopping than I will ever be. So, it's pretty good.
Hoje eu tô de Papai Noel.
We spent the afternoon shopping. We bought lots of things for Emily. I mean, my grandma bought lots of things for Emily, and my mom as well. They all want to give her everything. Now Shelly and my mom, my grandma went to look for clothes, and I'm in the car because Emily is asleep. And she doesn't even wake up as I'm talking to you. Cute. This is Emily's new outfit. Emily, mostra o sapato, mostra o sapato. Wow. We bought this today. We're gonna buy the shoes now. Are we done shopping?
Caca.
Caca. De novo? Caca.
Emily, what are you eating?
Alright, it's time for us to go home. Oh! She's throwing tantrums and throwing crackers everywhere. Her new tantrums are throwing crackers everywhere. It's hilarious. But at the same time, not so much. Alright, we need to go home because we're gonna get ready to go and have dinner. We're gonna do that now. We need to pay for this stuff. And by we, I mean, not me. It's great to be on holidays with your family. It's just wonderful. What a wonderful thing. Didn't pay for food, didn't pay for anything we bought, didn't pay for anything. I don't pay for anything anymore. It's great. I will get used to it, and then when I go back to Sydney, it will be sad. After coming home for almost an hour, I had a shower. We're going out for dinner. What time is it now? It is. Oh, it's early. It's 7:53 p.m. Oh, I thought we were gonna leave at like 9 or something. Are you taking the whole thing of crackers? We're gonna have good dinner. She's obsessed with crackers. Emily, say cracker. It's dinner time, and we are here in this restaurant called Cadre Fondue, which is owned by some of my friends from my childhood. They just opened recently. We already have a table over here. We ordered. We're ready to eat. Emily's ready to sleep. So is Shelly, ready to sleep. And over there, this is Guilherme. He was only like a baby when I lived here. This is how old I am. This, oh my gosh, this feels... His parents left him at church a few times. They literally left church and were like, oh, Guilherme is still here. Gave them a call. Oh, yes, we left them back.
No jantar ainda. Eles estavam jantando.
Yeah, they went out for dinner. Yes, I remember that. They went to a party. That was...
Já me esqueceram muitas vezes dormindo.
Dormindo?
No berçário, lembra? Tu não lembra?
Não lembro disso.
Caraca, eu dormindo no berçário e eles iam embora e me deixavam. Apagavam as luzes e me deixavam dormindo durante o culto e iam embora.
Me explica, como é que tem um sotaque de Porto Alegre morando em Gramado?
Boa pergunta. Bons tempos quando eu morava aqui, né?
Bons tempos, bons tempos. Agora eu vou ter que botar legenda nisso tudo. Alright, it's time to go to the kitchen. Show me the kitchen. You don't have your hair thingy. What's going on over here? O que você está fazendo? Tô preparado.
Me diz uma coisa pra
Ah, muito bem. O que você está fazendo?
chocolate.
O que é isso?
É assim, chocolate branco.
Ah, esse é chocolate branco?
Chocolate branco. Daí tu derrete o chocolate ali no micro-ondas, bota um pouquinho de... Eu vou perguntar pro meu chefe.
Perguntar pro
E
chefe.
aqui é o queijo, ó. Tem toda essa tecnologia aí.
Tem que mexer, não pode parar de mexer.
É, tem que
Mexe, mexe,
sempre
mexe.
pra um lado, Thiago. Tem que ser sempre aquele
Sempre
lado.
o mesmo lado? E tu não cozinha?
Não. Não.
Tu não aprendeu? Tem que aprender.
Thiago começou
Vai ruim também.
no caixa.
O Thiago começou no caixa,
Depois foi
agora
pra
virou
Copa,
chefe.
Depois foi pra Copa e agora trabalha na cozinha. Eu comecei na Copa, depois fui pro caixa e agora garçom.
Mas tu ainda tá no caixa. Quem tá no caixa agora?
Tô mais ou menos, né? A mãe... não sei. A Lilia começou no caixa, depois...
A Lilia faz o que precisa.
Todo
Fica
mundo
saindo
faz
da...
o que precisa.
Tenta escapar da câmera. Tu precisa. Ó, o teu pai tá chamando. I'm here pretty much distracting them from their job. It's not very helpful. It's not helpful at all.
Capaz, mas
They're gonna
eles-
kick me out of the kitchen in a moment.
Mas eles já estão... Só tem chocolate para servir, o resto não tá pronto, então não tá atrapalhando.
So you have nothing else to do. Oh, great. It's calm today. If we were busy, I wouldn't be able to do this because they would be like running around, not knowing what to do. Is this annoying you?
Me incomodando.
This is great. I'm loving life right now. Oh, cabelo no. Put the hair inside. I'm gonna stop filming because they're working really hard. Thank you for the kitchen tours. Can I take it off as well?
Se tu quiser,
I'll keep it as a reminder, a memento. I don't know what it's called in English.
souvenir.
Recordação, souvenir. That was great. It's time to go. I might see them tomorrow though. Come and say bye to me tomorrow.
Sim, se ela
Wake
me
him
levar-
up.
Não, eu não vou dormir, não tem problema.
Bye. 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 I forgot to say, but thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. And my favorite comment from the video meeting my nephew for the first time is from Yesha from Montanese, where he says, "Wow, the favelas look amazing. Also come to Brazil." Those were not favelas. But yeah, they probably would look amazing. I'm not interested in going there because I think it would be a bit dangerous.